Our show has exhibitors that cater to the plumbing industry, from plumbing supplies to heavy equipment to anything related to plumbers that plumbers may need.
Well, I've had the luxury of the past 6 years coming to the show, and every year the show has gotten much bigger and much better. We're very privileged to have the opportunity to present here. The exposure we get at a show like this is second to none.
I've been coming to the show for at least 15 years, and Gloria Salazar has put the best show I've seen in years. Done a great job, and we're all really proud of her.
When you come to a trade show like this, it's very beneficial to see the latest products. You get to meet with your suppliers.
Gloria did a great job putting the show on. The turnout's amazing, and we're just glad to be a part of it.
It's an excellent show, highly attended. I would highly recommend it for anyone who is interested in doing business in plumbing and construction in the entire Southeast Florida area.
We invite you to participate in our annual show held every year, the third Thursday of November. For more information, please contact us.